Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can carve a text on Adobe Express. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on this notification bell. So first thing you need to do on login here and open a design. So just go to text option, then add your text. So I add this text. So the example of this is my text. The first thing, click on here, then you can see here is a text layout. So this one circle and inch blow and etc available here. So this is a curve option. You can curve your text. Wow, this is really good, and you want to change it to another style. Example of this one and this one. This is really good and have lots of option, free and paid. So if you want to outline thickness, wow, etc, lots of things you are able to do. So if you are new my channel, subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. See you again, take care, bye.